So I bought this little buff kit here for doing headlights. These things are not horrible, but they're fogged over enough to where the light is actually crap on the road. So I got one out here. I'm getting ready to pull the other one out, and I'm going to start doing this buffing thing and see if I can get these nice and clear again, and the little sanding pads that go with it too. And get this nice and shiny again, and hopefully I won't have to buy a new housing. But it's only like 40 bucks for a set. But you know, when you're trying to hopefully be able to do a flip and make some money, you want to minimize how much you're putting into it. And I already had this kit, so why not try it? And that is the old light. New light, old light. This buffing stuff is absolutely amazing. That's all I gotta say about that. Alright, so second headlight done, and they're both nice and shiny now. My distance vision should improve quite a bit. Just gotta put a handful of screws and stuff back into the bumper so it's back up where it's supposed to be. Had to drop it down a little bit to get into there is one bolt right there, so you have to drop it down to be able to get into that. But so I'm going to get that all put back together and do the oil change and pressure wash the engine. Hopefully get some of this grossness all cleaned up in here, and I can figure out if there's actually any leaks or not on this thing. Overall, it really doesn't look too bad, considering it's almost 20 years old. Right, so the product I used for the cleaning is this right here. Meguiar's one-step Headlight Restoration Plus. There we go. It came with a couple little sanding pads, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of them has a different grit. They're all extremely high. I actually took off the light bulbs, or not the bulbs, but the housings, obviously, because you saw the pictures, and I found it easier to do it just on the workbench right here instead of trying to do it on the front of the vehicle. I had a lot more leverage and stuff for sanding too, which was nice. But highly recommend this product. First time I've ever used it, very impressed. All the yellowing is completely gone, very clear. I'm guessing next time I drive at night, it's probably going to have much better light in front of me. It was horrible last night driving home. So that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment. If you comment, I'll actually comment back, since I really don't have very many followers right now, 2 I think. So if you comment, there's a pretty good chance I'm going to reply to what you have to say. So that's it, and I will see you on the next video.